Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm in Finland, in Nari, in Lapland to be precise.
Yep, we're in Lapland. This is how we got here.
The scenery, whilst quite pretty, was a little bit like Groundhog Day. It was road and trees and more trees and road and trees and more trees and road and trees. Oh, a glimpse of water. Oh, and more trees. Oh, a glimpse of some more water. Oh, some road, more trees.
I don't like it.
We've not really given it a chance yet.
But anyway, after that, our 5 most favourite things about Norway.
Yeah. Things you might like to know.
Things you might like to know about Norway that we liked. So here we go. Our top 5, first 5 things that we loved about Norway. In 5.
The fact that we didn't need to have cash at all. It was just so easy to pay with everything by card.
Literally, I don't know what a krona looks like. So that's it. Number 5. Number 4.
The ferry network.
Yeah.
Might be a bit of a drag if you have to do it on a regular basis, but for us as tourists, it was great fun to get on and off all those little ferries.
It is quite amazing. 3. No, I'm doing 3.
Go on then, you do 3.
I'm the motorhome enthusiast around here.
Oh, well, okay then.
A motorhome enthusiast. In 3, it's just like motorhome mecca. It's just so geared up for motorhomes. I've never seen anything like it. So many places to stop if you want to stop. So many places to empty your cassette, get fresh water. Some that charge, some that don't. It is just a motorhome mecca.
Wild camping spots, campsites, motorhome facilities on the road. It's all been perfect.
Whatever you need, it's there for your motorhome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Into the Norwegian people. They are just really on level, no nonsense, friendly, English speaking.
Helpful.
Yep, nothing's too much trouble.
Happy to chat about their country and their traditions.
And they love their country. And I know it's a big thing in the UK at the moment. I don't go on about political stuff, but there's Norwegian flags everywhere.
Yeah, lots of flags.
They're really proud of their flag. They have the flag around everywhere. They love their country, absolutely, adore their country. And they like to show it off.
Yeah.
And they like to talk about how nice it is.
Understandably, because it is such a lovely place. Which leads us on to point number 1.
Number 1.
The scenery, the landscape. It is stunning. Different view round every corner. So many wow moments. I can't tell you how many times I've said wow on this trip.
Yeah, it's quite incredible. The scenery, from the sea to the fjords, from the mountains, it's insane. It is absolutely insane. So much so that we're now not sure whether to sack Finland off and travel back through Sweden and cut across from where we are in Finland after visiting Santa and go back via Norway, because we just loved it so much.
Yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic.
And we've got to find a way of coming back.
Yeah.
So definitely, I would say the landscape.
Yeah, absolutely.
So there you are. Our 5 most favourite things about Norway. You might have your own, but those are ours.
Yeah.
And now we're in Finland, so we're not giving it much of a chance, really.
Yeah. It was on a back foot to start with, wasn't it, when we were already coming through Norway?
Yeah, and we had to drive in the most monotonous drive. There's like Christmas trees either side of the road. Straight road. 50, 60, 70 miles of just sat there. There's water the other side of the Christmas trees, but you can't see it. Stopped to use my drone. And our first experience of Finland was we'd been across the border for 10 minutes and I saw a lovely lake. I thought I'll get the drone out to be basically chased off by a couple of old Finland people. Some old man waving his fist.
Mr. and Mrs. Angry.
And some lady waving her fist at Nikki when we drove past. Get off my land!
Get off my land!
Yeah, so it wasn't a good start, but we've since arrived where we arrived, and it is quite pretty where we've arrived. We've been in the shop.
Lots of tourist hats. Coach loads are passing through here and stopping off at the tourist hat shops.
But a really friendly guy in the shop, and the people we've spoken to so far, other than Mr. Angry, really nice.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes. We can always sack it off, like we said, but we'll see how it goes. We'll stick with it for now, yeah?
Yeah, but I hear there's a guy called Santa who's actually quite a nice chap as well.
Yeah, so first things first, let's go see Santa.
Yeah. So we're now parked up on a nice campsite for a couple of days. Both got quite a bit of work to do, so we'll get stuck into that and then we'll be heading off somewhere new in a day or two. Yeah, so a couple of days without a video, I think. Bit of a break. Might do some short drone ones on the shorts site if I get a chance to get out and do some whilst working. So yeah, catch up soon. Hope you've enjoyed the travel so far, but don't go away, we've still got a lot longer to go, and not a lot of people go to Finland, and not a lot of grown-ups our age go and meet Santa and ask him for something special. What will we ask him? What will we ask Santa for? Suggestions on a postcard, please. Let's wait and see. Good night, guys. Enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your week ahead. If you work, if you don't work, you're lucky. And enjoy whatever you're doing this week.